If you've closed your Venmo account and wish to reopen it, follow these steps to guide you through the process. Make sure you have your account information handy. Step 1. Visit the Venmo website. Go to the official Venmo website or open the Venmo app on your mobile device. Ensure you are connected to the internet for a smooth process. Step 2. Log into your account. Enter your email address or phone number and password associated with your closed account. If you've forgotten your password, use the Forgot Password link to reset it. Step 3. Follow account recovery instructions. Once logged in, you may see a prompt regarding your closed account. Follow the on-screen instructions to initiate the reopening process. This may include verifying your identity through email or SMS. Step 4. Review account settings. After successfully logging in, check your account settings to ensure all your information is correct. Update any necessary details such as your bank account or payment methods. Step 5. Confirm account reopening. Once you have completed the necessary steps, confirm that your account is reopened. You should receive a notification or email confirming the status of your account. After completing these steps, your Venmo account should be active again. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Venmo customer support for further assistance.